We are taught to look for strength in the grand, the loud, the dramatic. We search for it in the thunderous applause, the decisive victory, the voice that rises above all others. But what if we have been looking in the wrong places? What if true inner strength is often not dramatic at all? It doesn't announce its arrival with a fanfare or demand the spotlight. Instead, it resides in the quiet corners of the soul, a steady, unwavering flame in the face of life's relentless winds. It is a force that is felt more than it is seen, an anchor in the storm that holds firm without a sound. Because of this, some of the strongest people you will ever meet appear entirely ordinary. They are the ones who navigate their days not with overt displays of power, but with a quiet, dignified resolve. True strength often looks calm, patient, and steady. It is the parent who soothes a child's fears in the dead of night, the friend who listens without judgment, the colleague who meets a deadline with grace under pressure. Their fortitude isn't found in a single heroic act, but woven into the fabric of 1,000 small, consistent choices. It is the patience to wait for the right moment, the steadiness to persevere through monotony and setback, and the calmness to think clearly when chaos erupts. This quiet strength carries deep power. It is the power of endurance, the capacity to absorb pressure and not break. It is the power of integrity, the commitment to one's values when it would be easier to compromise. This is the strength that builds, that nurtures, that heals. It doesn't seek to dominate others, but to master oneself. It is the silent force that moves mountains, not by shattering them, but by patiently wearing them down, one grain of sand at a time, with unwavering persistence. It is the deep well from which you draw when you feel you have nothing left to give. So, learn to respect quiet strength in yourself. Acknowledge the times you chose compassion over anger, patience over frustration, and silence over needless words. Celebrate the resilience that gets you out of bed on difficult mornings. Honor the courage it takes to be gentle in a world that can be harsh. Your quiet strength is not a weakness or a sign of passivity. It is your most profound and sustainable source of power. It is the calm center of your being, a sanctuary of peace and resolve. Nurture it, trust it, and let it guide you.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.